Up. Down. Against. Among. Below. Above. Across. Through. Toward. Out of. Into. Around. At. Opposite. Behind. In front of. Between. Next to. Near. Far. Over. On. In. Under. Along. In. The dog is in the box. On. The girl is on the table. Under. She is sitting under the table. Over. He jumped over the hurdle. Near. The dog is near the girl. Far. The dog is far from the girl. Between. She is between the two boxes. Next to. She is next to the box. Behind. The girl is behind the box. In front of. She is in front of the box. Opposite. They are opposite to each other. At. He is at the bus stop. Around. The children playing around the tree. Into. He is putting toys into the box. Out of. The kid is now out of the box. Toward. He is running towards his mother. Through. The train passed through the tunnel. Across. He is walking across the bridge. Up. The boy is walking upstairs. Down. The boy is walking down the stairs. Along. A family is strolling along the beach. Among. The orange ball is among the white ball. Against. The men leaning against the wall. Below. Find your pen below the table.